Welcome to the ClearCheckbook tutorial series. ClearCheckbook is an application that helps you manage your finances online. We'll be going over the various features of the account dashboard today. The account dashboard is the default page that loads when you sign into your ClearCheckbook account. The dashboard is a place where you can get a quick glance at all aspects of your finances and quickly perform actions such as adding transactions. Many of the gadgets are tied to the Add Transaction form, which means if you add a transaction, some of the other gadgets, like budgets and latest transactions, will update. You can move, minimize, and remove gadgets as needed. Many gadgets will have settings so you can customize them to better fit your needs. We'll start by looking at how some of the gadgets interact with each other, then cover modifying gadgets, how to add new ones, and finally adjusting the number of columns that appear on your dashboard. As I mentioned earlier, if you add a transaction from the Add Transactions gadget, you'll see other gadgets update as well. In our current view, we have the latest transactions and budget gadgets visible. I'm going to add a $30 purchase from my Chase checking account so you can see the two gadgets update. After adding the transaction, it now appears in the latest transactions gadget, and you'll notice the Chase checking and groceries budgets have updated. To modify the settings of a gadget, click the gear icon at the top right side of it. We'll look at the latest transactions gadget for our example. You can see various options that control the behavior of the gadget. Not every gadget is customizable, but it's worth checking on the gadgets to see what options they have. To minimize a budget, click the Minimize button at the top right side of the gadget. If you don't want it to appear at all, click the X icon, which will remove it entirely. You can rearrange how the gadgets are placed by grabbing the gadget by the top gray bar and then dragging it to a new location. To show this, we'll move the Account Overviews gadget to the top of the third column. You'll see a yellow box appear where the gadget will be placed when you stop dragging it. A list of all available gadgets as well as a way to add new ones can be found by clicking the Add New Gadget link at the top of the dashboard. Gadgets that are grayed out are currently on your dashboard. Gadgets that haven't been added yet will show up with an Add button on the top right side of them. We'll add the Calculator gadget to the dashboard now to see how this works. The last thing we'll go over is adding more columns to the dashboard. By default, 3 columns appear. With the Premium Membership upgrade, you can add up to 8 columns. To adjust the number of columns, click on Settings at the top right side of the page, then click on General Settings. Scroll down until you see the columns on Dashboard Setting. We'll add an additional column for a total of 4. After saving the page, go back to your dashboard and you'll see a new column has been added. To populate the new column, simply drag a gadget there. Multiple columns are beneficial if you have an extremely wide monitor and want to take advantage of the screen real estate. For more information on using the dashboard, click the Get Help specifically for this page link at the top right side of the dashboard. This will take you to our knowledge base page covering all aspects of the dashboard.